Hello and welcome back everybody. So how you can rename your user? Okay, so how you can rename your user, local user? Okay, so first of all, click on start bar and you can see here. Okay, search bar. Okay, search the computer management. Computer management. When you search computer management, you can see the computer management icon. Open it, and now you can see here local end users. Users. Click on users. Now you can see we have lots of users. So I have a user named test. Okay, I want to rename this user. Okay, so how I can do that? Just right click on this user and go to properties. Okay, now you can see user name. Okay, so let's change user test to user test 1. Okay, so I have update my username test 1. Okay, so you can see here test 1. Okay, apply and okay. Now you can see I have rename, and this is the way of rename. Now you can see I have just renamed the user. Okay, so refresh it. Let's refresh. Okay, so now you can see here properties test 1. Okay, and when I rename it, and you can see here I have renamed 1 uh, 1. Okay, now you can see I have renamed successfully. Just right click on user and just rename it. Okay, rename the user. Okay, so that's it for today, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for being here. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel. Okay, bye.